Okay folks, here's how to parallel park to pass your driver's test like a pro. Signal to the right, mirror, shoulder, and then you pull up alongside the vehicle. Stop when the back of your car is in line with the back of the vehicle beside you. Put your reverse, 3/4 revolution of the steering wheel to the right. So there you go. Mirror, shoulder all around. Well, there's a car approaching from the rear, so I don't move because my car will be going further out into the street. Now they have passed, so we just back up until the front of the vehicle is in line, but of course at an angle, and then stop. Get all the turns in to the left, then continue backing in to the space. You just keep checking as you back up. When the car is straight, you stop. Place the gear selector to drive, straighten the wheel, and then you inch up. That's it. Apply the parking brake, gear select to park, and that's how you would actually park on your driving test to get your driver's license. And you can see from even the side mirror that you're within limits. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.